Well, it is the first day of Governor Inslee's mask mandate for the entire state. And thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Monique Minglavin.
I'm Steve Rabel. Today, you are now required to wear a mask while in public places indoors. You'll also need to wear one outside if social distancing is not possible. Kids under 5 are exempt, as is anyone with a medical condition. But one business is telling customers not to follow the rule. KIRO 7's Ryan Sims is live in Fremont for us. Ryan.
Yeah, Steve, as you can imagine, this is the talk of this neighborhood. There was actually a sign right here in the front entrance of the store telling people not to wear masks. It has since been removed, but even then, though, we still have a large controversy here in Fremont.
Gotta go, thank you.
The owner of this tea shop had no interest in talking to reporters today. Yet those who have visited this store are still talking about it themselves.
I passed by it, saw the sign, and I was like, this must be some kind of joke, sarcasm or something.
Take a look at that sign. As you see, it reads, "Please remove your mask." In the fine print below, it goes on to say that coronavirus was, quote, all a panic mostly, and we can all admit we overreacted. After reading these words, this woman says she asked the owner if he was truly serious about this sign.
So am I not allowed to come into the store because I have my mask on? And then he was like, no, you're not. I don't want this dirty thing in my store, referring to my mask.
After he refused to talk to reporters, we watched as the owner here abruptly closed for the rest of the day. Customers here said they were shocked that such a policy would exist, especially during a pandemic.
Obviously, it's not going away. We know that yesterday was a record setting for the number of cases that were filed.
And I understand why people need to express their views, but when that runs up against public health, that creates a problem.
This is the second time this week we've seen a Western Washington business object to masks. The owner of this Snohomish plant nursery stopped his employees from wearing them earlier this week. And days later, people in Fremont are at the center of another mask controversy.
As much as I wanted to fight against his belief, I smiled and walked away. I didn't know what to tell him. I was shocked.
And again, as you see, that sign is now gone from this store. We don't know yet if this owner here has had a change of heart since he didn't talk to KIRO 7, but if he does, we'll be sure to let you know what he says. We are live in Fremont tonight. Ryan Sims, KIRO 7 News.